Hello everyone, welcome back to Flame Fed Homestead. My name is Brandon. We're making chili today with venison harvested successfully from deer this fall. Let's get started. We're going to get started on this chili. So I got my cast iron pot preheating in the smoker. I have it set to 350 degrees. We're going to add about 2 pounds of our venison harvested this year. But since venison's so lean, I'm going to add a little bit of beef tallow. Forgot to mention it's a double recipe. So normally 1 pound, we're doing about 2 pounds of beef. We got a cup, the recipe calls for half a cup. We're gonna do a cup of diced onions from the garden and 2 cups of diced green pepper. And then 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. We'll mix this up until the meat is no longer pink. Let's see how we're doing. I think we're just about there. Let's check. Okay. Not sure how well you can see that, but meat's no longer pink. The vegetables are soft. So we're good to add the rest of our ingredients. We have 2 cans of kidney beans. You can do pinto or black, 1 of each. Today we have 2 cans of kidney beans. I drained them slightly. And then we have 2 cans, 1 of diced tomatoes from the garden, and 1 can of crushed tomatoes from the garden. And then we have our chili powder. I'm going to turn the grill down to 225 and we'll let this come up to temperature, get a little bit of a boil going, and let that simmer and take on a little smoke flavor. Recipe says 30 minutes, but at a lower temperature I'm going to let this go for at least a couple hours. Let's see if we can't get another look here. Beautiful. It's been about an hour and a half. I think we've lost enough liquid here that I'm going to put the lid on so we don't lose any more. It's almost dinner time. Gotta love winter that it gets dark so early. Let's see what we can see. I ended up turning it down. 225 was boiling a little too much. Oh yeah. Oh, that looks good. Let's get this inside and make up a bowl. Here we go. All right, let's get a bowl going. Look at that chili. Some fresh grated cheese. That's good stuff. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.